Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Please join me in this delightful DIY tutorial as I show you easiest way to create sweet woolen flower using 4 and 2 colors of wool. To begin, wrap the first color of wool on the fork 10 times. Then tie it to secure it. Attach the second color of wool in between the first and second teeth of the fork. Wrap the color right there 5 times to make visible combination. Make the little pieces 5 and join them together. Please guys, remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel. At this point, attach a medium-sized bead at the center to make the flower flawless. I believe you all will find the tutorial easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching.